Hey, this is Andy from Selden, and we are at KubeCon. It's kind of day 3, but like the first sort of real exhibition day. I'm here with...
Kumar. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for the Cloud Native Computing Foundation.
And we were just talking about, I guess, the challenges that any company has in trying to figure out their technology strategy. With so many different options, so many new releases all the time, so many new developments. I mean, where do you start? We also hear people saying it's all about Kubernetes. Yes, 43% of the enterprise are using Kubernetes, but there are other options out there, as we're seeing today. I mean, what would you from your, so previously, where have you worked previously?
I used to work at Docker. I used to be in the product marketing team there, and so I'm completely familiar with containers, microservices, the future, the challenges that enterprises are actually facing with a lot of the new innovation. And I think fundamentally we need to ask what is digital transformation and what is cloud native?
Yeah. And in different languages, and what I mean by that is you've got articulating it to the sort of more commercial business managers in companies, and then you've obviously got the transformation, how they talk about it in the engineering departments and around the technical buyers and those guys, and it's kind of bringing together more of a unified message that everyone can understand and articulate, which is also challenging, which I see.
And I think that was one of our Cloud Native Computing Foundation 2018 strategy is it's really, I think I kind of presented this and had a talk, which was like when we have releases, as an example, Kubernetes 1.9 or 1.10, what does that exactly mean? And it has a lot of relevance from a developer standpoint, but then how does it translate to an organization, a business objective? What are the challenges they're solving? And developers are doing a lot of great work, and the strategy for CNCF essentially is focusing on developers and contributors and elevating technical messages. I'm an engineer myself, so I don't want to say, we don't want to talk about technical stuff, but we want to map the technical value to a business value to an organization's business objective.
Yeah, absolutely. And to be fair, me doing sales, that's kind of what I do every day, where I talk about things like, we can speed up your deployment of machine learning models, we can save your DevOps teams 25% of their time, we can save you around between $1 million and $9 million a year of AI investment.
Absolutely.
And this is language that the business managers can understand. And the DevOps guys have slightly different, I guess, priority list or criteria as to why they would go with one vendor or particular technology over another. So, there's different ways of articulating the value proposition to different people, right?
And I think I just did an interview just a few minutes back, and the whole value prop, I think they were asking me, what is the value prop for cloud native? So I would kind of summarize it just based on all the sessions and the keynotes that we're seeing today. It's primarily agility, because we want to address just not the big guys like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, but you want to look at startups where they are. So it's essentially who comes to market first, and what essentially are they solving? How can we make their problems simple? So it's about simplicity. So it's agility and simplicity combined. And secondly, there's a big talk on security, which is an industry problem. And then the third thing is all about scalability, because today we are seeing a lot of adoption with containers, but it's primarily being deployed on-prem or private. But what does it mean to actually be at scale, and how do you deploy it from a large-scale standpoint? Because end of the day, enterprises would want to scale to their customers, and that's my passion in terms of really understanding end users, developers, contributors. How do you triangulate and bring the 3 different communities together?
Yeah. In that nice, strong marketing message, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, so I saw, remind me your name again?
Kumar,
yes.
CNCF.
So I saw Kumar buy the drinks, and she thought she was just going to have a quiet cup of tea until I jumped on her, but absolute natural in front of the camera, and I'm so grateful that I met her and we've had this talk. So thanks very much.
Thank you, really appreciate it.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.